Hey guys, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a 2022 Volvo XC90 T6 Inscription in Pebble Grey Metallic with an amber Nappa leather interior. The Inscription trim level is the more luxurious trim level. You'll know that on the outside from all of the beautiful chrome pieces along the bumper and the side between the wheels. On the inside, you'll see that it has gorgeous Nappa leather seating. In the front, you get heated and cooled seats. In the back, this has the climate package, so you get the back seats are heated, and it has a center integrated booster seat. 21-inch Inscription wheels. This has been named an IIHS Top Safety Pick Plus again for 2022. Integrated roof rails up top. You'll be able to put load bars up there, put a roof box on top, and get away for the weekend. T6 means that this is a 4-cylinder turbocharged engine with 316 horsepower. This is all-wheel drive. And the XC90s comes standard with the 7-seat configuration. You can get it as a 6-seat configuration with captain's chairs in the center. Plenty of space. Black headliner with the amber interior is perfect. This also has the advanced package, so you get that cool 360-degree camera system. You get the graphic heads-up display, and this also has pilot assist with adaptive cruise control, which is the semi-autonomous drive mode. But wait, it gets even better. This interior is absolutely exquisite. The uppers are leather, and then you get this beautiful wood trim. This has the Bowers Wilkins sound system, exceptional sound quality. There are 19 speakers. Every seat in this SUV is a good seat as far as the sound is concerned. There are speakers up there in the ceiling, on the sides. This is the booster seat, and you pull this handle to pop that down flat. 4-way climate control situation there, power in the back for your people. You get memory seating for 3 for both the passenger and the driver. Leather wrapped tailored dashboard. It's a really nice feature. Bowers Wilkins tweeter on top. Just everywhere you look is just absolutely gorgeous. All of these materials are exceptional. You have cup holders. There's a wireless phone charger right there. A little more power, and when you lay your phone down flat there, no matter the size, you can snug it up and tuck it in so it won't go flying off elsewhere. Plug in to the right for Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Twist this to the right, get you started. You get to see all of your safety features. Off to the left, you'll find all of your vehicle functions. This is where you can adjust the drive modes. Your heads-up display is here. Turn that on, and you'll see that projected on your windshield. There we are. and you can have turn-by-turn directions on there. You can also do the road sign information. I really like that. Now you know how fast you should be going next to how fast you actually are going. And then we'll go back over here. You need to make sure that wireless phone charger is on. The 360-degree camera system is here. Cool bird's eye view. This has the park in and out feature. You'll be able to have the car measure the spot so you can make sure you can parallel park. It'll take over the steering for you. Really cool. Crystal clear backup camera. Off to the left, this is your sound experience. This is where you can change it up. Concert hall is absolutely epic. The jazz club is sensational. Navigation, this car has it all. If you are looking for a gorgeous 7-seat SUV with an exceptional interior and exquisite sound, this is stock number 22274, and it's available for immediate delivery at 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. Come check us out, and thank you so much for watching from Portland Volvo. We'll see you soon.